Hello everybody, it's Doc from OnTheMoneyOptions.com and Coastal Capital Management. Today we're going to dig down to another level of analysis and look at the stock rotation that happens within a sector. This is called subsector industry group analysis. Each week we look at how money flows through the markets. At the highest level, we look at the flow of money between the 11 major sectors. This helps us understand what's happening at the macro level in the market. But each of these 11 major sectors are subdivided into a total of 46 industry groups. Some sectors, like consumer discretionary, have a large number of subsector industry groups. Today we're going to focus on the technology sector. I've been watching some movements that suggest there may be a significant rotation developing within that sector. This slide shows the 7 industry groups of the technology sector. Here's an animation of the money flow within these subsector industry groups for the past year. We will focus on 2 of these industry groups, computer hardware and semiconductors. This slide shows the performance of those 2 groups over the past 200 days. The red line is the performance of the technology sector ETF XLK. This screenshot shows the performance chart in a bar chart style. You see computer hardware and semis diverge in their performance about the 1st of July 2018. The next slide shows the performance of each sub-sector industry group relative to the technology sector ETF XLK. The arrow shows that when computer hardware's performance peaked and began to go down, the semiconductor group's performance began to move and improve. Late in December 2018, the semiconductor industry group begins to outperform the technology sector. This suggests that funds are beginning to flow to the semiconductors. With this in mind, we want to look at stocks that might benefit from this funds flow. This slide shows 3 of the top performing stocks in the semiconductor subsector industry group. All of these stocks are close to their all-time highs. While these stocks are very strong and may continue to outperform, you may want to look at some of the stocks in the industry group that are well off their highs and have room to run. These beaten down stocks can also show you their potential highs. For my semiconductor list, I've found 5 stocks that have already dropped past the correction level of down 20%. The first stock is Skyworks Solutions, symbol SWKS. Over the recent months, it's dropped 50% from its high to its low. Recently, it's produced a bottoming pattern we call an inverted head and shoulders, and this may indicate that the stock is ready for more upside soon. The second stock is Micron Technology, symbol MU. Micron is down 57% from its previous highs. MU also shows a bottoming pattern and has recently broken above it a long-term downtrend line. The next stock is ASML Holdings, symbol ASML. The stock is down 35% from its recent highs, and like the others, shows a potential bottoming pattern. ASML recently broke above its long-term downtrend line, which can signal a reversal. The next stock is CRVO Corp, symbol QRVO. The stock is down 37% from its recent highs. It too has an inverted head and shoulders pattern and shows signs of potential gains. The last stock I want to share with you is Lam Research Corp, symbol LRCX. Lam is down 49% from its highs. Like the other, it's put in a bottoming pattern and recently penetrated a long-term downtrend line. These are just some of the stocks that large institutional traders may look to in order to grab some quick gains if the semiconductor sector heats up. I'm not recommending a trade in these stocks, but I do suggest you keep an eye on them. I've been watching these stocks for months now. It's not necessary to trade every day, but it's important to do your research. You need to at least be aware of the stocks that have been beaten down and present good opportunities when the sector and industry group starts to move. As Wayne Gretzky, the great NHL hockey player, said, you need to skate where the puck is going, not where it's been. So keep an eye on these stocks and you might find some good opportunities. Watch the volume of these stocks and watch for the volume to pick up. This is the very best indicator of a future move. Volume always precedes price. I will finish the video with my target list of semiconductors. Take a quick screenshot of these stocks and do your own research. So until next time, this is Doc saying trade smart and stay hedged.